AI is escaping the data center. From your smartphone to factory floors, artificial intelligence is being deployed in ways that will reshape industries this year. Here's what's happening right now. Edge computing is bringing AI directly to devices. Companies like Apple, Google, and Qualcomm are embedding neural processors into phones, IoT devices, and wearables. This means faster response times, better privacy, and offline functionality. Edge AI is projected to reach 12 billion by 2005, fundamentally changing how we interact with technology. Manufacturing and logistics are undergoing AI transformation. Predictive maintenance powered by machine learning reduces downtime by 50% of AI. Robots equipped with computer vision optimize supply chains in real time. Robot companies like Tesla and Amazon are already saving millions through AI-driven factory automation and warehouse operations. Medical devices now use on-device AI for diagnostics and monitoring. Autonomous vehicles, drones, and robotics require localized processing for safety. These applications demand edge intelligence, not cloud dependency. The FDA recently approved AI-powered diagnostic tools, validating healthcare's shift toward decentralized AI infrastructure. By 2026, 50 additional data will be processed outside traditional data. Hit the notification bell and drop a comment about which Edge AI application excites you most.